All right. Hey, YouTube. Welcome to the channel. Hey, if you haven't been here before, my name is Jason. I'm an affiliate marketer, and we show people how to make money online every single day on our channel. The channel's all about different products and how you can start making money online. And we teach you step by step exactly how to get started and exactly how to do that. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do so. We sure appreciate it. And if you like this video, leave me a like on it. All right, so we're going to work on our Clickbank series again today. Turn $5 a day into $4,000 a month using Clickbank and a simple copy and paste mailing system in MLGS. All right, so let's go jump into Clickbank and check our account and stats today. All right, so there we go. We made a sale last night or yesterday. And actually, this was a good one. So this one was $42.90. So actually, let's go jump in and see where we made this. Look at these stats, and we'll see. Okay, our stats today. So our stats are way up today. We haven't sent emails out yet. We're just doing that. I'm doing them a little later than usual. But we've had 354 clicks to our link. We've had 9 clicks through to the order form today. And we haven't even sent our emails out yet. So we're getting ready to do that here in just a minute. Let's go check period. And then I want to see where that sale came from. Because that was a good one. So that brought our total up. Cool. So that brought our total up to 208.19. And let's see, it was on the current promotion that we're doing, the writing write apps. This one here, this is the current one we're promoting. So we made one the other day, and then we made the one last night or yesterday. One, I don't know what time. But we also made an upsell on that one. So that's why it's so big. So that's good. So we made the initial sale and then we made an upsell. So that's awesome. So that brings our total now up to 208.19. So that's cool. That's how, I mean, this is working. It's working exactly like we want it to. We've made 10 sales total, but we got the upsell, and the upsell actually pumped that number way up for us. So cool. It's exciting stuff. You gotta like making sales, right? It always puts a smile on your face when you see it, and especially when we get the upsell in there. And we'll just hope that we continue to get more of those upsells because they really jack up the price on those. So, all right. So the rest of our stats, we've made over 21,000 clicks to our link. 184 initial impressions all the way through to our order form, and then the 10 sales we were just talking about. We have made those on 2 different products we promoted. This was the second one, and then this has been the 4th one that we're promoting. This is actually day 59 in the series, and the email we're sending out today is going to be email number 9 from the document below this video. Let's go ahead and get that sent out. We're going to log into My Lead Gen Secret to our first account. Now we're on 5 of these, but we're going to log into our first one here. I'm going to hit mailing system. I'm going to select all. And then don't have to worry about any of this. Don't worry about this. I'm going to go grab my subject from my document. Pop it in there. See, this is all copy and paste. So, you know, for anybody that says you can't make money just copy and paste, and I'd say we're proving them wrong. All right, got our email. Pop it in here. I'm going to get rid of all this bold. Well, I want to leave that. So let's do that again. I come down to there. I'm going to change this all. I'm going to get rid of where it says body. This is the pre-header, so we're going to go ahead and leave that. And then I'm going to change my short code right there. Control C and Control V, comma. All right, we'll come down here and sign it. And a lot of people, if they don't want to use their real name, it's fine. You don't have to use whatever name you want. It doesn't matter to me, so I'm just going to use my real name in there. I got nothing to hide. Nobody's forcing anyone to buy anything. They're doing it out of a choice. I'm just putting it in front of them. And that's what affiliate marketing is. You're just putting an offer in front of people. If they make a purchase, you make a commission. That is all it is. Click here to complete. So I'm going to do right here because that's the obvious spot. There's a link. We're going to bold that. And then I would like it one other place. This says join our platform. So I kind of like that. We're going to use that one too. Right there. I'm going to bold that too. And let's see if it fits anywhere else. You can put it in here as many times as you want. If you want to put it in here 5 times, go for it. I usually try and do 2 times anyway. I have been known to put it in here 3 times before and even make a full paragraph to link. But that looks pretty good for now. So we've got our link here towards the top and we've got our link here towards the bottom. Good enough for me. That's all I need. Get rid of that. Perfect timing. I'm going to grab my entire email, Control C, and we'll send it. And then there we go. So we're going to come up here to our tab. We're going to right click, then duplicate, and then we're going to go to our next account. So we'll log out and log into number 2. Right there, select all, come all the way down. I'm going to pop our email in here real quick. Perfect timing. And then our subject. And that's why I do it on this sheet, because it just makes it convenient. It's right there, and you can just grab it and bring it over. We'll highlight our email, Control C, and then send it. Now we've got this for our next account. All right, now we go to our other tab. And again, we're going to log out, then log back into number 3. Mailing system, select all the way down, pop our email in there. There it is. Perfect timing. Grab our subject, Control C, Control V. Grab our email, Control C, send it. All right, there we go. So we're going to switch tabs again. And I'm going to log out and log back into number 4. Let's see, Clickbank 4 right there. Mailing system, select all. There we go. Pop our email in. Perfect timing. And grab our subject. Control C, Control V. And then we'll grab our email, Control C. Send it. Now we've only got one more to go. So this was a good sale. That was $42 went to us. So pretty awesome. All right, so we're going to log out and we're going to log into number 5. Mailing system, select all. Control V. Perfect timing. Make sure we got it. There we go. Subject. Control C, Control V, and then send it. So you can see how these add up as we continue. They're adding up. It's bettering our chances to finding the right person for this ad that we're putting out. And it's working. We're finding the right people. It's taken us a lot of people to go through. But that's why this system works so well, because you're getting so many dumped in there every single day. And if you're doubling those, you're just stacking on top, on top, on top, and you're going to make sales. I mean, that's just it. You can't not make sales if you're running it this way, because you're putting this in front of a ton of people. And we run this the same way with all of these products. We run it the same way. With this one for Live Good, we run it exactly the same. We do some extra marketing in there with social media. So we do some other things. It's not just the emails, copy and paste, but we add that also, okay? And this is for HBA. We do the same thing here. We send these emails out every single day for this product as well. And we make money because, like I said, you're going to, if you're doing this and you're sending this many emails out and you're having these many leads come in, you're going to make sales. Now, nobody can guarantee anything, but consistency is what pays, right? So you stay consistent, you be persistent, and you just keep sending these out, and you're going to make sales. I think we're proving this with this right here. We started with absolutely zero, brand new accounts, never promoted anything on Clickbank before. And now we're up to, well, whatever it was, $208. So you can't deny it works. And we're just going to continue. We're going to watch this grow. This is just going to continue to grow as we go. And before you know it, we'll have our money back from our emailing systems, and we're just going to keep stacking in here, right? Because we've already paid our extra setup fees and all that stuff. So that's already done. Now we're just going to pay for each account per month, and we're just going to stack leads in here, and we're going to be making these sales. And that's exactly what we want to do. All right, guys. Well, thanks for being here. Like I said, please subscribe if you haven't. It helps out a ton. If you like these videos, please leave us a like on them, and throw a comment in there. If you have any questions, my number is always below the video. Shoot me a text. I'm happy to answer. Be patient. I do get a lot of text messages. So if I don't answer right away, just be patient and I will get back to you. I promise. Thanks for being here, and we'll see you on the next video. Later.